Hi and welcome to Qlik Fix. This video will demonstrate how to install Qlik Enterprise Manager. First, you can download the installer file by logging in to the Qlik product download site of Qlik Community. Expand the compressed file, right-click the installer and run as administrator. Click Next on the install wizard, read and agree to the customer agreement. The default folder for the installation and data files can be changed, but it must be on a local drive. Click Finish once this first step is complete. Qlik Enterprise Manager uses PostgreSQL to support its analytics module for managing multiple instances of Qlik Replicate. So we'll continue the installation by setting up PostgreSQL. Next, these four components are all included. Set the PostgreSQL data folder location, and since this is the initial setup of the database, the super user password must be set. Since this will be used with Enterprise Manager, leave the default port. Review the settings and begin the installation. Once that's completed, Stack Builder isn't actually necessary, so uncheck this option and finish. Start Enterprise Manager by searching for it and launch the console. The first step is to register the license. This should be received as a text file. Just copy the contents of that and paste the license text here and register. Now that the Enterprise Manager is licensed, click on Servers and create a connection to a running Qlik Replicate server. Click on Add Server. Provide the name of the Replicate server you're connecting to. The host name can be copied from the URL of that Replicate server. The username and password of the account that was used during the installation and to make this connection. Test the connection. Success! Okay, and the first connection was successfully added. The green check mark indicates that the Replicate server is running and monitored by Enterprise Manager. Next, to register the analytics portion, click on Analytics and register. Copy the second block of text on the license file, paste that in, and register. Next, add the PostgreSQL repository connection settings. Enter those connection details. Test. Success. Now save. Initializing will remove any previously existing data and start new. I'll go ahead and initialize and close. So the analytics portion is ready. Now Enterprise Manager is set up and ready to start creating tasks or whatever you'd like to do next. I hope this helped.
Nailed it.